But before we get started, we have to make sure our pets are in a safe place, because that was Gabby Gold Digger and she uses everything what falls down as a toy. And even her toys, when we look at Mr. Hedgehog here, it has only 3 legs left. Got even worse with Miss Giraffe. She has her legs sewn to her ear. And we want to prevent anything happen to our vacuum cleaner. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you have seen my video when I put my DEEBOT vacuum apart. That was the DEEBOT 500. And I ordered these wheels. They didn't come in yet. I tell you, it takes forever to get these wheels. I'm tired of vacuuming by hand. I think today we just remove the motor from the wheel, open it up, see if we can clean it out. It might work. There's a 90%, 95% chance it don't work. But we ordered a, what means new wheel. All the wheels I can find are refurbished parts. I don't know why I can't find any way a new part for the vacuum cleaner. Now let's get started and put that thing apart and see, maybe it helps. So if you followed my last video, after taking out the wheel, it should look something like this. You know, you should have a pretty good chunk of stuff. Looks like your kid got into it. So let's get started with taking this wheel apart. So first let's open this case where the gearing is in it. Call it transmission case or whatever. I don't even know what all that stuff is called, but that's not important. We are like little kids. We want to put that apart. So I see 2 screws in here. I think they hold the motor. We have the motor out. Okay. I guess I gotta remove this. Oops. Didn't lose it. We gotta desolder this board. And it's marked plus and minus. So I marked this a little bit. I want to mark it so we can easier see it. So we have at least 10% chance to put it back together. Now we gotta open this casing. These are the brushes. You can clean up a little bit. Now I'm gonna clean that out. At least I try to clean it out as good as I can. So we're cleaning it out as good as we can. I can remove that. That will belong to our 90 to 95% failure rate of our repairs, because I don't think it makes any difference. I think I just close the bag up, see what it does, right? I put a little silicone grease in there. I don't know if that will be good or not. Now I close the bag up. It's just as bad as before, so it's a waste of time. A half hour wasted. What I don't understand that I cannot buy a motor like that. It should cost not more than, what, $10? $5 to $10? To just replace it.